Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is May the 6th, 2020. Here to give you all the price news and forecast and prediction in the cryptocurrency space. Today's video is going to be about Cardano. So if you guys are interested in Cardano and where it's likely to go before it actually gets there, you definitely need to subscribe to this channel. Follow us on our own website, HueFinancial.com. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. All of those locations is where we're dropping nuggets as to what we're notifying and seeing on the price charts, because that's where the trap leaves his footprints. You know, the trapper, the market trap, is where he goes to try to trick us into distilling, where he's trying to fool us into where the market's going to go. But if you understand it and learn how to translate what the price bars and the volume mean, you can literally follow where he's going so you can profit right along with him. So make sure you follow us here, because that's what we're doing. Okay, like I said, today's video is going to be about Cardano. Last time we did our video in this cryptocurrency was back on May the 2nd, 2020, right here. And we were expecting the market in Cardano to continue to see the leg move higher in price. It's been a little longer, you know, market's just really been consolidated since that video, but it's still on play. The market in Cardano is not all that weak, especially off the market action that we're getting today in Cardano. It is still showing that our original forecast from the 2nd of May is still on point. So we're not going to change or alter this forecast package for Cardano. We're still looking for this cryptocurrency to continue to see the next leg higher in price. Now, since that video on May the 2nd, we are still hovering around restriction. So keep that in mind. 0.052 around that vicinity is where the market in Cardano is finding a huge restriction level, due to the fact that over the last 3 days, the market couldn't cap above it. So make sure you guys keep that level in mind as we see this cryptocurrency trade. But I'm not going to change or alter the forecast. The market in Cardano is still expected to see a leg higher in price. Okay, so ultimately 0.052 is where that TP area was, which would be about 2.81%. But if we get all the way up there to the ultimate TP location, it'll be about 7.34%. Simple. All right, I'm done. I'll see y'all later.